Hi everyone, I hope you are doing very well today. I am personally happy to continue with us on what we have been working on. So in the previous video we worked on the use of PowerShell, and that was basically on how to add user, to a team, how to remove team user, how to set to change the name of a team and the display name and the description. We also talk about how to update the visibility or the privacy of a team, and then finally we discussed how to delete a team. And in this particular video we are going to be concentrating on how to use PowerShell to work on Teams channels, right? So you know that for every team you have channels, and at least you have a channel called general channel that you can have on a team. So for this particular video, so we are going to be working on Teams channel basically. So I will bring up the tenants that we've been using as the lab, and that should be this tenants. Of course, remember when we deleted this team. So coming here, I will have teams, and then I will have manage teams. I just want to bring up a team that we can use for this demo, and we can again use our ABC of Cloud Voice. So looking at this, if you come to the channels, of course we have general channel, we have inquiries, we have inquiry call, support call, and all of these. So these are the channels that are currently available here, and that is what we have, right? So we can go to the admin center now, to the PowerShell end, and see what we can do. So before we go on, we can just do get-team first, just so we can get something like get-team. Of course, this command has been one of those commands that we've been running from our day one. So we are looking at ABC of Cloud Voice. So what is ABC of Cloud Voice? Group ID. This is the group ID, right? Just copy this, and then I will right click, and then I will do copy, right? So let's just again do CLS, just so the slate is cleaned again. So what I want us to take note of is we are working on a team ABC of Cloud Voice, and this is going to be the group ID of that team, right? So now we are saying get Teams channel. So we want to get all the Teams channel in that team. So what command are we going to use? We are going to use the get-teams channel, and then -group ID, and then we get the channels in that team. Of course, you remember that we had gone to the GUI to see the channels that are in ABC of Cloud Voice, right? So we just do hit on this, and then the next thing you see is we have the channels showing up here. We have support calls, we have inquiry calls, we have inquiry, support, and general, just like what we saw on the GUI. So this is you trying to run commands that will list out all the channels that are in a particular team for you to see at a glance from the PowerShell end. Now, how do you create a new channel in a team from PowerShell? So how you do that is you just try to see that the new team group ID, which is this, then the display name of the team, and then you have the description of the channel. So just so we see something, if we do the get-team again, then remember that we are working with the ABC of Cloud Voice, so we may just want to copy this, right, just so we can be sure of that what we are doing is right, very correct. So we're going to do copy. So that means the display name of the team is needed for this particular exercise, and that is the display name. Again, I will just clean this place by doing this. So now we are here on line 11. So we are looking at this, and what we would need is the display name of the channel, right? So let's see, new-team, then let's click on enter here and input to replace the commands here. So what do we have? We have this in here, we have this, and then it is going to be new Teams channel group ID. So I think the display name is not the display name of the team, the display name is the display name of the channel that we want to create, which is perfect, right? So here we can just give it okay, we can say YouTube demo channel, and then that is the name of the team, right? I mean the name of the channel that we are creating in that team. So we can say, we can just be funky, beautiful channel created from PowerShell, maybe. Alright, so this is like the description of the channel that we are creating in that team, right? So we're just going to hit on this, and then we expect this to run to create that channel for us. So what it means is that if we now do get-teams channel, for this we are supposed to have it now listed among the channels that we have. So we are going to now have it here. It's showing YouTube demo channel, beautiful channel created from PowerShell, which is a description. The description starts from here. So if we come back to the team here, and then we on the channel here, we will not have that here because we have not refreshed this particular interface. So let's just hit on refresh once, and then let's see what happens. And then I will expect this to quickly refresh. So that's happening right now. Come on, be fast. I want to see my beautiful channel created from PowerShell. So one thing I observe is the Teams Admin Center, I don't know if it is my own internet connection, is one of the slowest for me compared to the others, but then it is here already, and it's saying that YouTube demo channel, beautiful channel created from PowerShell, right? And then the type of the channel is standard, and then auto pin is off. That is just it, showing the description here. And that is how interesting it is to use PowerShell to create a channel, right, in team. So I just want us to look at the next one, which is going to be the last command that we are going to run here on this particular video, and it's about to delete a Teams channel. So to delete a Teams channel, you do remove -Teams channel, group ID, the group ID here, then the display name of the channel, and then you delete it, right? So we want to do that now. First of all, the group ID is this, right? And then therefore we are going to put it here. Now, what is the display name of the channel that you want to delete? The display name of the channel is this. So we're just going to highlight this now, and then we do a right click, and then we do copy, and then coming to remove Teams channel, we're going to replace inside of here with that particular command, Ctrl V. So what we'll do is, if we hit on this run now, we would expect that what is happening, remove -Teams channel is not found. And what is that saying? Remove Teams channel group ID. So what is the meaning of that? Let's be sure that what we have copied here is correct. So let us do this again. Let's just try something. Remove -Teams channel group ID, which is this. The display name is this. So let's replace from here. Let me run it, and then this display name of the channel is this. Oh, my mouse just malfunctioned, so I'm just going to copy it again from here to here, and then let's put it here. Ctrl V, and then let's put it here, and then let's run it one last time. So that was successful. So that means maybe there was one space or something. If you identify what happened that made this to fail, channel not found, I think it was about the display name that was not correctly placed. Can't see actually. Maybe there was, I think there's a space here. That was the cause of that error. Yeah, that could be the cause, because there was a space inside of here. That was why that failed. So it's fine, the channel has been deleted. So it means that if we come to say get Teams channel from here again, we are not going to see that channel listed among them anymore. And if we come to this place, we are expecting that after one more refresh, then this one should get out. So let's try it also and see what happens at this stage. Let's just wait for a refresh to occur, and then we can end this video and prepare for the next one. So of course I'm not expecting to see that channel again, so it's all gone now. So if you like what you have seen here on this channel, you may want to hit on the like button, and you can subscribe to the channel too, because that's very important to us. And if you want to follow on LinkedIn, of course I'm always available. Have question, you can also ask. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.